The battle with myself. When you're knocking on the future, but you can't let go of your past. When your mind feels like it's made of iron that is starting to rust. You try to think, it says, I can't think anymore. You try to set goals, ambitions, visions and missions. It says, I can't do this anymore. That is when I start to battle with myself. I camp all night, plan to do what's right like it's my right. Even on the coldest night, I do this till my mind, I do this till my brains, my veins get sore. Forcing my body to allow me to do what I wanna do for sure. I call this the battle with myself. I grab the chair, sit down whole night, try to talk positive words to myself. Because when I pray, the Lord show me signs of that He has done His part, and the only part that is left to be done is the part for me to deal with myself. Because the problem is not God, the problem is not the world, the problem is not the things that people say to me, but the problem is me. I'm busy knocking on the future, but I can't let go of my past. That's why when I'm in the future, I'm being pulled back by my past. I cry to Lord, I say, Lord, as a young person, I failed to deal with myself. The Lord responds and says, son, for I love you, I will help you to deal with yourself. This is the main reason I always win the daily battle with myself. The Lord is with me, and I am canon poetry.